So guys, it seemed like a lot of people were not feeling the Air Jordan 1 low UNC to Chicago's. Hey, that's neither here nor there because there's a lot more heat coming out. We just got a super dope sneaker in the Air Jordan 1 UNC toes, so I definitely understand. We're gonna do a quick review and on feet over these bad boys that just released today. And real quick, let me know down below in the comment section if you did secure a pair of Air Jordan 1 low UNC to Chicago's, man. What's going on YouTube, man? Thanks for tapping into another video. You guys see today's title, the video. Y'all see what we're talking about. We're gonna be doing a quick little overview over these joints and throwing them on feet because I've been holding off on this on feet for a little minute. I don't know why. Your boy's been super busy, but we're gonna get it to today's video, man. So go ahead and subscribe to the channel if you're new. Hit the notification bell for your boy so you don't miss any content that we do drop. And please leave a huge like on today's video, man. All right, man, so here you have them. You got a regular Air Jordan 1 box with these women's exclusives right here. You usually get like a different, box, but like I said, we got a regular Air Jordan 1 box with the red Nike up top, and you got some extra red laces, which you did not throw in these because this is just too much for your boy. We got extra red laces with these joints that came with them, and we also got the little hang tag, the same thing that came with I don't even know where the damn, oh, here you go. Here you go, the hang tag right here. You got the little hang tag right here. Came with the same, as the Air Jordan 1 High UNC to Chicago's, man. Gonna throw these two to the side real quick and just talk about the sneaker real quick, man. So like I said, man, if you did grab these, please let me know if this is one of them ones that you really wanted because the highs did drop a couple of years back. I know I really wanted this pair. You guys see I do have it. So I really didn't need both, you feel me? So these might be on the selling block real soon. But the lows, I put them on feet already. They're actually pretty comfortable. I'm loving the quality. And it's the same with the highs. So I really don't need both, like I said. But if you got the highs already, that'd be super dope if you do. And let me know. That's probably why nobody want to grab these UNC Chicago lows. I feel like it's kind of a little too early to drop these because I feel like that release was super recent, so nobody's really, after them. So I definitely get why these joints are still sitting, man. So for the sneaker itself, kind of hit on the early unboxing we did. The leather quality is really nice all the way around it. Got your bread toe right here, if you want to call it that, with that nice leather quality. And on the back, you got that North Carolina baby blue, UNC, whatever you want to call it, on the back with the huge Wings logo on the back right there, man. Super nice. And I know if you guys do have a pair in hand, you might see it on the B-roll. The leather is just super soft. Just remind you of that, shattered backboard type material that we don't hear about that much anymore. Shattered backboards is like what, over 10 years old now. Nobody talks about them, but the quality on these, like I said, nonetheless, is really good. You get mismatched insoles on these guys. So on the left shoe, you get a UNC baby blue insole, and on the right one, you get your braid all red insole. Kind of glad they didn't make this like a what the, or like a top three kind of, sneaker where it's different colors. It's all the same. Got the UNC on the back, got the bread on the front. And I think they executed these well, but I feel like it's still a little bit too early for them to drop these because we just got the highs a couple years back. But I really gotta take my hat off to Jordan Brand about this leather quality. I don't know if you guys are picking up right here, but I'm definitely gonna hit y'all with some B-roll. But that tumbleness of the leather on the Nike swoosh and on the toe box on the heel, it just really top notch, man. Appreciate everybody tapping in today's video. Like I said, super quick review on feet. You guys know if you did cop, let me know if you secured a pair, you waiting for them to go to the Nike outlet. I'm very interested in knowing what you guys are feeling about these Air Jordan 1 Low UNC Chicago's. Subscribe to the channel if you're new, hit the notification bell for your boys so you don't miss out on any content that we do drop. And please leave a huge like on today's video, especially if you want to keep seeing me doing on feet and reviews over, you know, some of the most relevant sneakers out in the sneaker community, man. Again, I appreciate all the support. Thank you guys for tapping in. And all this being said, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video, man. Peace.